Welcome to Trivia Quiz Challenge. Have fun with our quiz. Please subscribe for more. Can you guess the celebrity just by their eyes? Round 2 is here with 50 brand new superstar eye puzzles. Think you can score 50 out of 50? Whose eyes are these? It's Matt Damon. He co-wrote Good Will Hunting with his childhood friend Ben Affleck and won the Best Original Screenplay Oscar at just 27. Look at these eyes. It's Ben Affleck. He won an Oscar for writing Good Will Hunting at 25 and another for producing Argo years later. Recognize these eyes? Reese Witherspoon. She won Best Actress for Walk the Line and built a production company that turns books by women into hit films. These eyes are world famous. Cameron Diaz. She booked her first film, The Mask, with 0 prior acting experience and became one of Hollywood's highest paid actresses. Whose eyes are these? Drew Barrymore. She became famous at age 7 in E.T. and is the granddaughter of Hollywood legend John Barrymore. Look at these eyes. Natalie Portman. She earned a Harvard psychology degree while still acting in major Hollywood films. Recognize these eyes. Mila Kunis. She lied about her age at 14 to land her breakout role on That 70s Show. Whose eyes are these? Kristen Stewart. She was the first American actress ever to win the prestigious French César Award. These eyes are world famous. Zendaya. She is the youngest performer ever to win 2 Emmy Awards for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Drama Series. Look at these eyes. Mahershala Ali. He is the first Muslim actor to win an Academy Award and only the second black actor to win 2 Oscars. Recognize these eyes. Viola Davis. She is the only black actress to achieve the Triple Crown of acting with an Oscar, an Emmy, and a Tony. Whose eyes are these? Octavia Spencer. She became the first black actress nominated for Oscars in back-to-back years after her first win. These eyes belong to a Hollywood icon. Whoopi Goldberg. She is one of the rare few to have won an Oscar, an Emmy, a Grammy, and a Tony, the legendary EGOT. Look at these eyes. Jodie Foster. She started acting at age 3 in Coppertone commercials and has gone on to win 2 Best Actress Oscars. Recognize these eyes. Glenn Close. She has been nominated for 8 Academy Awards, but, incredibly, has never won. Whose eyes are these? Harrison Ford. He worked as a professional carpenter for years before George Lucas cast him as Han Solo. These eyes are world famous. Jeff Bridges. He first appeared in a film as an infant and finally won his Oscar nearly 40 years after his first nomination. Look at these eyes. Adam Sandler. He was discovered performing stand-up in a comedy club by a Saturday Night Live producer. Recognize these eyes. Eddie Murphy. He joined Saturday Night Live at 19 and is widely credited with single-handedly saving the show. Whose eyes are these? Jamie Foxx. He won an Oscar for portraying Ray Charles and topped the Billboard charts with his own #1 album. Look at these eyes. Kevin Hart. He supported himself selling shoes while performing amateur stand-up nights before becoming one of comedy's biggest names. Recognize these eyes. Chris Rock. He was discovered by Eddie Murphy in a New York comedy club and quickly landed a spot on Saturday Night Live. Whose eyes are these? Steve Carell. He left The Office at the peak of its success and went on to earn an Oscar nomination for Foxcatcher. These eyes are world famous. Will Ferrell. He quit a stable bank job to pursue comedy and became one of Saturday Night Live's most beloved cast members. Look at these eyes. Joaquin Phoenix. He won Best Actor for Joker and is the younger brother of late actor River Phoenix. These eyes belong to a music legend. Prince. He played all 27 instruments by himself on his debut album at the age of 19. Whose eyes are these? Whitney Houston. Her Super Bowl performance of the national anthem in 1991 is widely considered the greatest of all time. Recognize these eyes. Stevie Wonder. He signed with Motown at age 11 and has gone on to win 25 Grammy Awards. Whose eyes are these? Bruce Springsteen, known as The Boss. He has sold over 140 million records and has been performing live for more than 50 years. These eyes are world famous. Dolly Parton. She has written over 3,000 songs and is one of the most decorated country artists of all time. Look at these eyes. Sherry. Her career has spanned over 6 decades, with hits in every era from the 1960s to today. Recognize these eyes. Janet Jackson. She is the youngest of the Jackson family and became a music icon in her own right with more than 100 million records sold. Whose eyes are these? Ariana Grande. She can hit whistle register notes higher than most opera singers and started out on Broadway as a teenager. Look at these eyes. Selena Gomez. She was named after Tejano singer Selena Quintanilla and got her start as a child on Barney and Friends alongside Demi Lovato. Recognize these eyes. Miley Cyrus. Her real name is Destiny Hope, and she got her stage name as a child because she smiled so much they called her Smiley. Whose eyes are these? Katy Perry. She released a gospel album under her real name, Katie Hudson, long before becoming a pop superstar. These eyes are world famous. Jennifer Lopez. She started her career as a fly girl dancer on In Living Color before becoming a global music and movie star. Look at these eyes. Billie Eilish. She is the youngest person ever to sweep all 4 major Grammy categories in a single night at just 18 years old. Recognize these eyes. Kendrick Lamar. He is the first non-classical and non-jazz musician ever to win the Pulitzer Prize for Music. Whose eyes are these? Post Malone. His stage name combines his real last name with a random rapper name generated online. Look at these eyes. Conan O'Brien. He graduated magna cum laude from Harvard and served as president of the legendary Harvard Lampoon. Recognize these eyes. Jimmy Kimmel. He once co-hosted The Man Show and now hosts one of the most watched late-night programs on American television. Whose eyes are these? Stephen Colbert. He took over The Late Show from David Letterman and is the youngest of 11 siblings. These eyes are world famous. Tina Fey. She was the first female head writer in the history of Saturday Night Live. These eyes belong to a sports legend. Kobe Bryant. He scored a stunning 81 points in a single game, the second highest total in NBA history. Look at these eyes. Stephen Curry. He is the only player ever to be named NBA Most Valuable Player by unanimous vote. Recognize these eyes. Patrick Mahomes. He became one of the youngest quarterbacks ever to win both the NFL MVP and the Super Bowl MVP awards. Whose eyes are these? Simone Biles. She is the most decorated gymnast in history, with more than 30 Olympic and World Championship medals combined. These eyes belong to a tech visionary. Steve Jobs. He co-founded Apple in his parents' garage with Steve Wozniak when he was just 21 years old. And the final pair. Whose eyes are these? Mark Zuckerberg. He launched Facebook from his Harvard dorm room and became the world's youngest self-made billionaire at 23. Final bonus question. We already showed one of these stars earlier in the video. Do you remember whose eyes appeared twice? Comment your answer below.